My video guide is about removing pop-ups that are associated with the website Withjacwkb.biz. If you try to analyze what this site means, of course it doesn't make any sense at all. Often the occurrence of these pop-up windows is explained by the presence and the activity of certain adware type application in your Windows computer. Or, of course, you could end up visiting this website simply as a result of visiting some other malicious website or clicking on some suspicious link. Anyway, it is strongly advised that you do not tolerate these pop-ups. If you see them permanently attacking your screen, as I said, your computer may be in trouble of being infected by adware. However, the purpose of these pop-ups by Withjacwkb.biz is to make things even worse with your browser. The point is that this website is interconnected with many third-party programs and websites and advertising agencies that try to promote certain content through your computer. So the pop-up tries to encourage you into clicking on the allow button, which you should never do. But some people have done that by mistake and now they experience a lot of problems, in particular with a lot of ads popping up in their Windows screen. You need to fix your browser immediately, and now I'll show you how to do it manually. So go to the menu of the browser, click on Settings, then scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, and you need to find the Permissions area, click on Notifications. At this point, research the Allow area and find this malicious site I was talking about. So you need to click on this button and get rid of it from the list completely. And I would also recommend that you scan your Windows computer additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software and scanning your Windows computer with this application that will help you to establish other possibly hidden adware or malware on your Windows computer. How to use Combo Cleaner for fixing your Windows computer and repairing your browser-related problems. After the program has been successfully downloaded and installed, click on its icon on the desktop. Then you may choose the preferred scan type, whether it is Quick Scan, Full System Scan or Custom Scan, and then click on Start Scan. But remember that some scan types are only available in the premium version of the program. So let's choose Quick Scan and click on Start Scan button. The program begins the scanning of our computer, and as you can clearly see, some suspicious items were already identified during the scan. After the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give us the detailed report about the condition of our Windows computer. So let's suppose that the scanning has been completed. Of course, in your particular case, the scanning would take a little bit longer. So let's assume that the scanning is over. So the program gives us the detailed report about threats found, and it shows what exact threats these are. For instance, it gives us this alert about some issues found with Google Chrome. This means that the program detected some problems with malicious sites involved in displaying web push notifications without your control. So consider upgrading to the premium version to get your Windows computer fully protected.